Yep, it's true. DinoLand closing. Done, nada, gonna be gone. So we're here today to go take a really in-depth look, make sure we memorize and absorb everything. We might go ride Dinosaur one more time. Hopefully it's open. I have no idea when it's closing. They haven't announced any dates, but yeah, it's closing. I brought my big lens too. I don't know if you can hear me, it's very windy. I brought my big lens too so we can do some really cool B-roll shots of DinoLand and all that fun stuff. It is switching over, so the dinosaur ride will be Indiana Jones, I believe. Same ride that's in California. And the whole land is going to be switching to Encanto, so that the whole area is more of like a Central and South America kind of theme. Let's go. We made it inside. I want to stop by the gift shop really quick just to see if we can see any of the Christmas stuff. I don't know if it's here yet. Oh my god, it is here. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have come in here. Okay, I'm doing a day in my life video, and I just spent some money on some new shoes that I need for a trip coming up. So I definitely shouldn't be spending money. Look at these mugs. They're so cute. This pillow. Oh my goodness, this pillow. This little Christmas tree skirt. I love these bowls so much. And this. Look at this little jar. And I like that it's just really subtle Mickeys. I'm not a huge fan of putting a bunch of Disney stuff all over my house, but this, I would get this. This is very soft. This little wreath. And oh my gosh, this pouring, it looks so cute, like little terracotta. And this waffle. I'm sorry, we're gonna go through merch, so if you don't wanna watch this, just skip ahead. It'll be in the description down below. Oh my god, Crocs. These, I have fuzzy Crocs, and honestly I regret getting them. They're good and stuff, but it's just too hot for them, even in the house. I will say these are very cute though. Oh my goodness. I need this. I need everything. This like cropped long sleeve is very cute, and it's like cinched in toward the bottom, which is nice. Oh, here's kind of what it looks like. I like how baggy the sleeves are. And there's matching pants. Stop everything right now. Look at this little 3-piece set for infants. Adorable. Okay, I'm literally so amazed by everything right now. I'm so sorry if I just keep saying the same things over and over. This tote bag is so cute. They've also got this knit sweater. It's actually really nice quality, or at least it feels really, really nice. I'm sure it's expensive, but it's very cute. And there's also this really fun, goofy fishing shirt that I love. And look at this tan sweater with goofy skiing. Okay, so Dinosaur right now is at a 50-minute wait. So I think we're gonna pass on riding Dinosaur unless it gets lower. So until then, let's just go to actual DinoLand and look around. DinoLand USA. One of the best parts about DinoLand is this giant playground. It is busy today. I assume it's because everyone has heard that they are in fact closing this down. All the locals are out on the weekend to go ride Dinosaur, but Dinoorama is like a carnival-inspired area. There was already a ride there that was knocked down. I did a whole video on this last year because we heard from D23 last year that this area was closing and it was going to be Zootopia themed. And I guess plans changed, and now we are doing Encanto and Indiana Jones theme. I'm really curious how they're going to transform this space, because as of right now, it's honestly a lot of dead space. There's some like parking lot kind of like lanes here, some picnic tables there. We've got Gary's brother or sister here from Hollywood Studios. And we've got like some open areas, some carnival games to play and plushes to win, and we've got Triceratops spin, and then back there is Dinosaur. To be honest, I love this area, but I do think that it could do a lot more. Like they could do a lot more with this space in terms of theming. So I really do hope they do something like really cool and not just kind of half it. You know what I'm saying. Here is Triceratops Spin. Got a couple booths aside from just games that are like shopping booths. So here we've got pins and stuff that are for sale right now. And some lanyards as well. Honestly, quite a good amount of pins. They've also got bubble blowers on this side. And some fun hats and ears. Like this Lion King hat a lot is really cute. So we've also got Whack-A-Mole here. This is one of the games that they have. And then these are some of the prizes that you can win at the top here. I personally am obsessed with this one. Little booth is where you can get your ticket vouchers to kind of play the carnival games. This booth here is where you can kind of spray into the target, so they have that as well. Maybe I will bring my friends and then come do this one of these days, like after work or something. I believe this one you just throw the ball and you have to get it into rings that are down there. Here's a photo opportunity, and this is the Mammoth Marathon.
Oh my goodness, it is any mammoth skin. This is crazy. This is wild. Who's gonna be my winner? Number 5.
Here's a fun mirror. I think this is the most flattering one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking real cute in this. And in this one, we're headless. That's also really fun. Here we've got Bronto Score, where you gotta shoot the basketball, obviously. And honestly, that's really it around here. That's literally everything. So aside from a snack booth where they sell popcorn. So I'm gonna switch to my other camera, do some fun B-roll shots, hopefully make it look nice. I'll include those right now. So the lines are fairly long today. Even Everest is at 50 minutes. So lines are fairly long today. So we are gonna come back to ride Dinosaur. Everest is even at 50. Dinosaur went down to 40, but that's still pretty long for me. So we'll be back for that. We're also gonna be back to do all the carnival games as well. Stay tuned for another Dinosaur DinoLand video. I'm gonna try to come pretty soon after this because again we have no idea when they're closing down. I wish there was a date. I'm guessing they will announce a date before they close it down, but it's possible that they won't. So we're gonna try to come back ASAP to do all the fun carnival games and again to ride Dinosaur and maybe grab some food and have like a whole night of it when it's most likely going to be a little bit less dead and also a little bit less hot. Hopefully you enjoyed that B-roll. I tried to get as much as possible. I just got smacked by a leaf. Crowds are pretty crazy right now. Goodbye, Animal Kingdom. We'll be back very, very soon. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the little artistic B-roll. Artistic, I don't know. I hope you're having a wonderful week. And I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Have a wonderful week and magical month. And I'll see y'all in the next one.